In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we are going to create a cinematic neon glow text effect that looks like a glowing neon sign. This effect works great for gaming videos, cyberpunk edits, music visuals, and stylish title animations. Let's get started. First, create your text layer using the text tool and type your title. Place the text where you want it to appear on the screen. Now select the text layer, go to the effects panel and search for Echo Glow. Drag and drop the effect onto your text. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. The first important setting is the anchor point. Set the anchor point to a correct position so the glow spreads evenly around the text. Next, adjust the intensity value. This controls how strong the glow appears around the text. Increase the intensity until the glow becomes clearly visible. Now change the color to something neon such as blue, pink, or purple. And next, increase colorize to 100 so the glow fully adopts the neon color. Now adjust the softness slider. Softness controls how smooth and spread out the glow appears. Higher values create a softer neon light effect. Next, adjust the offset value. This slightly shifts the glow effect and helps create a more dynamic neon lighting look. Finally, increase the chromatic aberration value. This separates the color edges slightly and creates a cool RGB glow effect around the text. Make sure to adjust the range value so that the glow appears around the text. Experiment with the available settings to get the desired effect. Play the clip and fine-tune these values until the neon glow looks the way you want, and that's it. You've successfully created a cinematic neon glow text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.